We're gonna find Grandma's cat again. Stupid cat keeps getting lost.
This is gonna be so
I hate
spooky.
the cat. I wish I could put the cat in the microwave.
Featuring Mr.
I want to
Eyeball.
burn that.
Huh? Oh, hey there, pal. Ah!
Oh,
Oh my god, that was so
thought that was
scary.
My name is
Did you-
Eyeball.
okay.
My name is the Eyeball.
That's a fine looking lamp. Alright, time to jump off. Let's go. Let's do this. Oh!
Follow the
What
laser
the fuck are you
pointer.
laughing about? Bone. Guys, Mr. Eyeball and Mr. Eyeball just fell. Like and subscribe.
Hello.
Hi.
Come
Wait,
here.
wait, wait!
I just heard
I got the
bones.
dance! Oh, that was my gun.
He's
that was my
running.
gun.
He's running.
Oh, we don't have a sponsorship.
Oh,
Oh,
good.
huh?
Dance.
Uh-oh.
Mister.
Oh, we're still on.
Oh my god! What an average day in Britain.
Is that
I'm gonna
two
get
of them?
stabbed.
What's up, dog? Oh no.